Hey YouTube, this is my bike check. I have Diamondback grips. I cut the flanges off because I don't like flanges. I have plastic bar ends, Eastern nitrous bars. They are 7-inch rise. Mongoose stem with sandpaper in it. It's kind of fancy right there. Let's see. I have Diamondback forks. This rim is a mongoose that I painted orange, and the tire, the tire is a Kenda. I'm not sure what kind it is, but it's Kenda. See, the frame is a Diamondback Viper that I painted blue last year. I have a mongoose sprocket. I have Odyssey twisted PC pedals. They're sweet. I love them. Poverty Carmi 3-piece cranks. I have unsealed bearings because that's what the Carmis come with. I'm getting sealed ones this Wednesday. Let's see. I have a crappy KMC chain. The back rim is a, let's see, what is it? An Alex rim, I believe. Yeah, an Alex one. I have a mongoose tire. It's held up pretty well. I'm getting new ones for my birthday. See, I have Odyssey Nightwolf, or Odyssey Aiken Nightwolf seat. It's pretty sweet. I love it. It has extra like cushion in it, so it's not. It looks slim, but it's real comfortable. I have just a regular seat post stock. I have a Diamondback seat post clamp, and that is it, I believe. Oh, I ride brakeless. I love riding brakeless. And that is my Diamondback bike. Thanks for watching, comment, and I'll see you guys later.